In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DeepL to Chrome. By the end, you'll have the DeepL extension installed, pinned where you can see it, and ready to use, with a quick note on signing in to unlock extra features. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to the Chrome Web Store. In the address bar, type chromewebstore.google.com and press Enter. Once the store loads, use the search box at the top and type DeepL, then hit Enter. You should see the DeepL extension appear in the results. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the official listing by checking the name, icon, and reviews so you know you're installing the right tool. Next, install the extension. Click the Add to Chrome button on the DeepL page. Chrome will show a small pop-up asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically. You might see a brief confirmation message, and you'll notice the DeepL icon appear near the top right of your browser window. If you don't see it right away on the toolbar, don't worry. It may be tucked inside the extensions menu. To keep DeepL easy to access, pin it to your toolbar. Click the Extensions button at the top right of Chrome. It looks like a small puzzle piece. A list of your installed extensions will drop down. Find DeepL in that list, then click the pin icon next to it. As soon as you do, the DeepL icon will move out of the menu and onto your main toolbar, so it's always visible and just one click away. Finally, consider signing in. Click the DeepL icon on your toolbar to open the panel. If you already have a DeepL account, log in here. Signing in is optional but recommended because it can unlock extra features like improved translation quality and saved preferences that carry over between devices. If you don't have an account or prefer not to sign in, you can still use the basic translation features right away. That's it. You've safely added DeepL to Chrome, pinned it for quick access, and you know how to sign in for additional benefits. If you ever need to manage it later, you can open the Extensions menu again to access details and settings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy faster, clearer translations right from your browser.